never before most original thinker on earth J. Krishnamurti, and presented his concepts in beautiful lectures illustrating with nice examples, no doubt. I know Rajneesh when he came out from his abode since about 1970, and I had been reading J. Krishnamurti since 1966. I had quoted Rajneesh lectures merely copying Krishnaji with names of books and chapters therein, like 1 First and Last Freedom, 2 Commentaries on Living Part 1, 2, 3. He said, copying Krishna, there is no path to truth. Later on he showed many paths contradicting himself. Such a false man is he. Later he said, I teach death, which was copy of enter the tunnel of death while living. Man is conditioned by idea of God, religion, rebirth etc. from the birth as taught by society since thousands of years. All this was copied by so-called God. As soon as this God attracted large crowd and money, he showed his original form of chasing sex, enjoyment and whatnot, as he could no longer keep away himself from worldly possessions. Dear sir, truth is beyond words, lectures, stories and even mind, is announced by Kathopanishad. But there are a very large crowd of sheep-minded people lured by sweet lectures. Dear sir, truth can never be attained by words, mind, lectures and even intellect. So never be lured by beautiful lectures. Raman Maharshi remained silent and used to speak few words. Innumerable devotees felt divine experience by simply sitting near him. Paul Burton felt divine experience by simply sitting before Maharshi. These are great saints, do not never follow sweet lectures delivering fake gurus. Guru is one who is free of ego. By simply sitting near him you would experience great peace and bliss.